and welcome children. I hope everyone is keeping good health. You're staying at home, obeying your parents, watching the videos and doing your assignments. Today I'm going to teach English language to standard 4 and 5. Again it is together because it's the same topic. The topic is noun number. What do you mean by noun number? It means singular and plural noun. In your lower classes, you must have learnt about one and many. It is the same thing. One means singular and many means plural. A noun that names one person, place, animal or thing is called a singular noun. And a noun that names more than one person, place, animal or thing is called a plural noun. I have written it on the whiteboard. You can see a singular noun names one person, place, animal or thing. Let me write a few examples here like cat, dog, glass, picture, bag and so on. So these are all singular nouns. And let me write a few examples of plural nouns also. Cats, dogs, glasses, pictures, bags, etc. These are all plural nouns. Now children, you must be seeing, just see one thing. When we write singular, we write cat. And when we write plural, we write cats. Did you notice here, when I wrote glass for singular, I wrote glasses for singular. Plural. Children, you need to learn some rules to change a singular noun to a plural noun. You need to keep in mind when you are changing these singular nouns to the plural forms. I have written already on the whiteboard and I will be explaining you. In most cases, we form the plurals by adding s. For example, cat becomes cats, dog becomes dogs, and pig becomes pigs. Simple. Rule 2. Nouns ending in s, ss, ch, sh, x and z form their plural by adding es. Here are some examples. There is a noun which ends with s. Bus. Bus becomes buses. Here we have a noun which ends with double s. Glass. Glass becomes glasses. Same is the case with class. It ends with double s. Class becomes classes. There are many more words ending with double s, noun words. Here we have with ch. Here the word church ends with ch. So we will add an es to it. Church becomes churches. In the same way, bench becomes benches. We add an es to it. A noun ending with sh, that is dish. Dish becomes dishes. Again we add an es to it. The noun word brush. It also has sh at the end, so it becomes brushes. We have words here ending with x, that is box. Box becomes boxes. We add an es. Same way, fox, it ends with x, so it becomes foxes. But there is an exception, children. We have an ox here. Ox doesn't become oxes. It becomes oxen. One is ox and more than one is oxen. It's an exception. You need to keep in your mind. Words ending in Z and double Z. For example, we have buzz. Buzz becomes buzzes. Quiz becomes quizzes. Now we come to rule 3. Nouns ending in Y preceded by a vowel form their plurals by adding S. Now see this word, boy. It ends in Y and it is preceded by a vowel O. So boy becomes boys. The next one, valley. It ends in Y and again it is preceded by a vowel E. So it becomes valleys. Key. It ends in Y and it is preceded by again a vowel E. So it becomes keys. Day. It ends in day in Y and is preceded by a vowel A. So day becomes days. Toy. It ends in Y and it is preceded by again a vowel that is O. So toy becomes toys. Donkey. It ends in Y and is preceded by a vowel E. So it becomes donkeys. So is it clear, children? Now we come to the next rule. That is nouns ending in Y preceded by a consonant form their plurals by replacing the Y by IES. So now look at this word baby. It ends in Y but it is preceded by a consonant. What is the consonant here? B. So baby becomes babies. The next word, lady. Lady again ends in Y and it is preceded by the vowel D. So it becomes ladies. It ends in Y and it is preceded by a consonant D. So lady becomes ladies. The next word, candy. It ends in Y and it is preceded by a consonant that is D. It becomes candies. CANDIES. Look at this word city. It ends in Y and it is preceded by a consonant that is T. So city becomes cities. Okay, now the next one. Next rule. Nouns ending in O preceded by a vowel form their plural by adding S. For example, stereo. This noun ends with O and it is preceded by a vowel that is I. So it becomes stereos. The next one, video. It ends in O and it's preceded by a vowel I. So videos. Same is the case with radio. Radio becomes radios. The next rule. Nouns ending in O preceded by a consonant form their plural by adding es. Potato, it ends in O, but it's preceded by a consonant T. So it becomes potatoes. Tomato becomes tomatoes. Hero, it ends in O and it's preceded by a consonant, so it becomes heroes. But there are some exceptions here, children. Photo and piano. Photo becomes photos. It is preceded by a consonant, but we don't add es to photo. It becomes photos. P-H-O-T-O-S. Another word is piano. Again, this ends in O and it is preceded by a consonant, but we don't add es to it. It takes the plural form just by adding s to it. Pianos. Is it clear, children? Stay home, stay happy, stay safe.